Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the Hydrastar electric over hydraulic actuator for drum brakes. It has a 32 ounce capacity and a 1000 psi output pressure. Now with a huge reservoir that holds a full quart of fluid, this actuator is perfect for your big multi-axle camper. Application will fit single, tandem, and triple axle trailers with drum brakes. It is an electric over hydraulic brake actuator, so it does activate your trailer's hydraulic drum brakes when you apply the brakes in your tow vehicle. A brake controller is required to send that signal from the tow vehicle to the actuator when your brakes are applied. The brake controllers we do sell separately. Also, you'll need a 7-way trailer connector, and that's needed to transmit the signal from the brake controller. This will give you improved functionality when compared with surge brake couplers, because it'll give you a faster response time. Your trailer brakes are triggered when you apply the brakes in the tow vehicle, as opposed to when the trailer pushes against the hitch ball. There's no need to manually lock out your brakes when you back up, and the trailer brakes can be intentionally activated when you reverse. The manual override on the brake controller can be activated so that you can engage the trailer brakes without having to apply your vehicle brakes. As we mentioned, this has a huge reservoir, which is great for trailers with long brake lines that need high volumes of brake fluid. As we mentioned, this has a fluid capacity of 32 ounces. Right up at the top here, you notice it is a translucent tank, and that lets you check the fluid level at a glance. Now, it does require .3 or .4 brake fluid. It is not included. You would have to supply that. They do use an electronic proportional pressure valve to ensure that the braking is smooth and effective. Right up at the top here has a built-in bleeder screw, which will let you easily flush out air of the brake lines. And right down here is where your brake line attaches. And as you can see, this is a nice durable extruded aluminum construction, provides corrosion resistance, and it is compatible with any standard 5 amp hour battery breakaway. This unit will install on your trailer frame, connects to your trailer's wiring and the hydraulic brake line. The brake lines we do sell separately. This part is made in the USA. Power for this is 12 volt DC power. The maximum output pressure is 1000 psi. It is DOT, Department of Transportation compliant. We mentioned it connects to your trailer wiring. And if we pull out our wires here just to show you, there's 4 wires. And basically the black one is for your 12 volt power, the blue one is for your brake controller, yellow is for your breakaway, and the white is for the ground. And the last thing, just give you the dimensions on this. If we measure the length, if you notice at the bottom it has these mounting tabs. So we're going to measure from the edge of the mounting tab to the edge of the mounting tab. So if we do that, it's going to be right at 11 3/4 inches long. The width, the widest point, right at 3 inches wide. And the height from the bottom to the top of the cap here is going to be right at 10 3/4 inches tall. But that should do it for a look at this Hydrastar electric over hydraulic actuator for drum brakes.